Hello and welcome to Motorsport and Performance. I'm Teddy and boy have we got something special in store for you. And here we have a 2014 Camaro SS. It didn't come standard, it had a comp camshaft in and a full headers back exhaust system. It's been with us for the matte touch and we have installed a 2.9 litre Whipple supercharger in yellow. With our custom tune, the car made 700 brake horsepower and 535 foot-pounds of torque. This has been another very special build we can add to the list of Motorsport and Performance. Thank you guys for watching, we'll see you next time.